Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Review Information. Today I will show you how to clear your Instagram search history. Let's see how to do this. This post isn't all about how to convince people you are not an Instagram creeper. But many of us can relate to the desire to clear our online search history everywhere, including on this particular social channel. To clear your Instagram search history, go to your Instagram account, then go to your own profile, then click on the options button from the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on search history. Here you can see the clear search history. If you tap this, all your search history will be clear. Tap on yes, I'm sure. Now your Instagram search history is cleared. That's how you can clear your Instagram search history. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.